Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and staying safe. My name is SHEIN and today is just a random Saturday in my life. I'm just vlogging that. So we have some friends coming over, so we just cleaned everything. As you can see, my house looks really clean right now. And then my plan is to pack some small business orders that I run. So I'm just going to pack those orders. Let me also show you along, and then my next plan is to show you few pink dresses that I ordered from SHEIN. So let's get going. By the way, I also made some reels for my small business Instagram, like all the packing videos, and now I'm going to pack few more packages that I need to deliver. But as you can see, all my orders are packed. These are some pickup orders, these are for delivery, and there are a few more on this side. I'll show you some very cute pink dresses that I ordered. I'm recently in love with pink. So let me show you what I ordered. So the first dress is this one. It is a full length dress with beautiful lace detailing on it. And it is from Vesta. They have so many different colors to choose from. Second is I ordered this beautiful blouse. I can wear it with black pants, with white pants. Look at the detailing over here. It is so cute. Third I ordered is this dress. It is an off-shoulder dress. Looks something like this. And this polka dots in black. I am in love with polka dots recently, and I have it in brown also, but this one is so pretty. And yeah, that was pretty much it. These are all the things that I ordered from SHEIN recently, and I need to clean up my closet because I have so many clothes right there. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. So yeah, my friends are here, and that was pretty much it what I did this morning. So clean up and then packed my orders, now showed you this, and now I'm going to spend some time with them. And till then, take care, goodbye, bye bye.